Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with yet another grocery haul. Y'all, and we've changed things up this time. I had to run to Dollar General and get some feminine products. And it is here at night. So I ended up going ahead and doing my grocery shopping so I would not have to go tomorrow. So I'm going ahead and getting this all out the way. And I'm pretty sure it was much cooler doing this grocery shopping here at night than normally like we do up early in the morning, which still be hot early in the morning, especially this time of year. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to give y'all I really didn't plan, I didn't have a meal plan, but I'm gonna try to tell y'all what ideas I did come up with in the grocery store at the spare of the moment. So yeah, so we did pick up some Rebels barbecue. And that's just pulled pork is what it is if you're not familiar with Rebels barbecue. So those old-fashioned oats, I already had those here, y'all. I use those for my overnight oats. I just leave them out here on the counter so I can make my overnight oats at night. I went ahead and picked up some oven roasted chicken breast. And I also picked up some of the uncured ham. And my thoughts for that was to eat that with some sliced cheese. And I also got these boilillo rolls. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing those right. I got those. And then I got this submarine dressing. I got lettuce and tomato. So we can have sandwiches with that. I got garlic because I was out of garlic. I got some sour cream because I'm planning on doing some tacos. And I did pick up, while I was in Dollar General, these extra large flour tortillas. And these were only $2.50. So pick those up out of there. And there are 10 in that pack. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. I also picked up the Tasty Cake cinnamon rolls out of there, and I think they were $2.50 as well. And I also got some carrots for snacking this week, or if I cook anything, a savory meal like in the crock pot, something like that. So I picked up some golden fries. I'll cook a bag of those, and I have another bag to throw in the freezer. We'll probably eat some of those like with when we do the pulled pork sandwiches. So I'll cook up some fries. I picked up some of the mini sweet bell peppers, mini sweet peppers. I got that. And I also got the cream cheese just to do the stuff, the peppers with the cream cheese. And I also have it with the meat. So I got that. And then I have like some sweet gherkins, some sweet pickles I can eat with that too. And that'll just be like a quick lunch one day. Have the lettuce. We're going to have that for sandwiches, like I said, and then we'll also have that for tacos. I got some reduced fat milk, some lactose-free reduced fat milk. I got some baked beans just because I didn't have any in the cabinet. I got 2 cans of that. I got some premium squeezed orange juice. I got some of that. And I got that to have with our sausage biscuits. I picked up some sausage biscuits. So that'll just be a quick breakfast. I got some apples for snacks and to have some fruit. We were out of mayo. Picked up some store-brand mayo. Picked up some more cherries. This is the second thing of cherries that I've had this summer. So cherries probably won't be in the store much longer. So I went ahead and picked me up some of those. I got some condensed cream of chicken soup. I love the Food Lion brand because it has a really good taste. Sometimes I make my own cream of chicken, but sometimes I go ahead and pick up the can too and just have it on hand. I like to have extra cream of chicken soup, cream of mushroom soup in the cabinet. And I'm planning on taking a can of this week and making some chicken and noodles. And I did pick up some boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. So I did get some French onion dip, and I got some wavy cut fries, and we just had that with one of our sandwiches for lunches or snacks. So I also did pick up some of the Swaggerty's all natural preservative-free sausage patties. I've never tried these, and it says it has no MSG added, and it has no fillers or preservatives. So I'm going to give these a try. I picked up some more eggs because I don't like to run out of eggs. We picked up some mustard. My husband picked up mustard, steak sauce, the golden steak sauce. Picked up ketchup. I picked up some of the Tostitos, the medium salsa con queso, and I did get some the hint of lime tortilla chips for that. My husband picked up some more barbecue sauce. He picked up some syrup. So I did pick up myself these little cowtails. I'll probably have those a couple of weeks because it'll take me a while to get around to eating those. But I just figured I'd pick that up to just have just a little snack, a little something sweet on hand for when I wanted something sweet. I picked up some bananas for fruit this week. Picked up some smoked sausage. I could fry that up and have that one day for a quick supper or lunch. Just something to have quick on hand when you're not getting in the kitchen doing a whole lot of cooking because it's hot. I picked up this big package of thick sliced bacon. I always like to keep bacon on hand. If you don't cook it for breakfast, you can certainly have it for supper. I'll do some grits and eggs and bacon and have some toast. That'll be a good supper. Don't have to think too much about that, and it don't take too much to cook that. So I have been wanting some Yoo-hoos, and we went ahead and picked up some of those. And these are the sausage biscuits I went ahead and picked up. Me and Mr. decided can have sausage biscuits and orange juice. I did pick up some Minute Maid this time. I got some grape punch and some fruit punch. I don't always get that when I go to the grocery store, but I did want some this time, so I went ahead and picked up those too. And these are the chips that I picked up. This is I guess it's the Food Line brand. It's called Cha-Ching, the wavy cut potato chips, and we have those with the onion dip. And I also got the barbecue flavored chips. So those chips are pretty good. There's the Tostitos I told y'all I picked up with the hint of lime. I went ahead and picked up these just to give them a try, and also just to have something sweet for when I want something sweet, y'all. Stuff like this here, it'll be here for a good little while because nobody won't eat it but me. JJ might try one, he might not, and my husband, he definitely won't try that. So I wanted some cereal. I picked up myself some of this Raisin Bran Crunch. I got that. And then I also wanted, I had been thinking about some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I did pick up this small box. And what I really wanted, y'all just went crazy with the cereal. I shouldn't have probably got all this cereal. I wanted some Golden Grahams, but they didn't have any, so I ended up picking up these, which I probably should have left them at the store. So hopefully they'll get eat. But I did pick up these just to put in place of, since they didn't have the Golden Grahams, because that's what I was really wanting, was some Golden Grahams. So yeah. But this cereal will probably be here for a good little while, which cereal lasts a long time anyway. I'll probably start out trying to eat some of these since I have been wanting Golden Grahams. So for meat, I got 2 whole chickens. I got a Boston butt. And then I got 3 packages of hamburger meat. There's 1, and then there's 2 here in this package. And for ice cream, we got the chocolate ice cream sandwiches, and then we got the Fat Boy, the cookies and cream sandwiches. They had the vanilla, but they were all sold out. And this is new at our grocery store. I know I used to get these from Sam's, but I haven't been to Sam's in a while, so picked these up. And I haven't made my mind up yet what I'm going to cook Sunday for dinner. I may cook this Boston butt, put it on in the crock pot, or I may just do, put the 2 chickens on in the crock pot. I hadn't decided yet. And then I noticed for this hamburger, one day I'll do some tacos with 1 package of that. And then another day, I could just do some hamburgers later on in the week. So, yeah. And I also picked up some, these are the chicken tenderloins I picked up. I was talking about doing the chicken noodles with one day. And then I did get 2 packages of the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I was thinking about putting those in the crock pot and doing sort of like a teriyaki chicken. So we do have plenty of water here. Y'all seen all the milk and juice we got. And then I also picked up some ginger ale. One meal I thought about doing was some making some lasagna in the crock pot. So I have some oven ready noodles for that, and then I have everything else that I need to make that. So that's going to be all for this grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.